In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grindr registration error. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and the first thing that I always recommend that you try to do is to update the Grindr app. So if you have a very outdated version of Grindr and then you try signing up for it, then that is not going to work. So what I recommend that you guys do is to open up the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iOS device. Look up Grindr. Then over here where it says open, it is going to say update. Then over here, you'll get the option to actually update the app, so you're able to go ahead and update it from there. Another thing that I recommend you guys do is to go ahead and just force close out of Grindr, then open it back up. Sometimes something as simple as that can actually get the job done. Sometimes Grindr can be a little bit glitchy, but nonetheless, it certainly is something to keep in mind. Of course, throughout this entire process, you want to make sure that you have a stable and reliable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is a little bit off, then Grindr may not be able to actually create your account. So what I recommend that you guys do is try to switch between using Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if there's any difference. Sometimes if you use mobile data, then it will actually get the job done. Okay, now another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that whenever you actually create your account, that you put in a birthday that is, of course, over the age of 18, because you need to be 18 period in order to use Grindr. There's no exceptions to that. So please keep that in mind. Make sure you input a birthday that is correct. And that, of course, you will need to be 18 years or older to use the application. So please go ahead and do that and keep that in mind. And by the way, if you are trying to sign up for Grindr using your email, be careful, because that is actually case sensitive. So that needs to be 100% accurate. The lowercase letters, the uppercase letters, etc. It needs to be exact. And another thing you want to do is you want to try a different email address if you're signing up for it. So for example, if you are trying to enter in an email that you previously used with Grindr, sometimes that is going to cause an error and then cause it not to work. So always start off with a fresh new Gmail and stuff like that. You never want to use the same Gmail again to use a Grindr account. So that is definitely something that you are able to take note of as well. And also, what you could also do is just simply wait it out. So Grindr actually recommends waiting 24 hours and trying again if the problem persists. Because what could be happening is that Grindr is trying to prove that you're not a bot or anything like that. Especially if you're someone who uninstalls Grindr, then reinstalls it and stuff like that. Sometimes things can get a little bit fishy. And in that instance, what I recommend that you guys do is wait 24 hours and then try again. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.